Greetings and welcome to this training video about how to use security headers in funnels and websites. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can increase the security on your websites or funnels, and also what kind of security measurements you can take and what they actually mean. Unfortunately, web pages can be prone to vulnerabilities and can be subjected to various attacks, which can be blocked by using headers sent to the browser when the page is loaded, and those safeguarding malicious activities by third parties to protect your website or funnels is really simple and really easy. And you can do it in just a few clicks. First, we are going to hover over to sites. You can choose between funnels and websites. We are going to choose website for now. And then here you can see a new security tab at the top. Click on that. And you can see we haven't implemented any headers just yet, so let's go ahead and do that. Click on ADD Security Header. At the top right, this window will pop up where you can put the header and the value. If you're not familiar what header or value you should put, or what this actually means, you can click on this link and it will forward you to the security section. It will give you different headers, which you can implement, so let me simplify this real quick. Imagine you have a house, your website, with valuable things inside, meaning your data, your user information, and you want to make sure it's secure from, because in this case, hackers from entering. So security related HTTP headers, which is this I like extra locks and alarm bells, you can install all around your house, meaning your website. I'm just going to point out a few important ones and what they mean. DCSP. The Content Security Policy. This is like setting rules, who can come into your house, and what they can bring. For example, you could say only people with trusted ID cards, meaning trusted domains, are allowed, and they can't bring any weapons, meaning scripts from trusted sources. This protects against hackers trying to inject malicious code into your site, like stealing user information. Number 2, X-frame options. This is like preventing someone from putting a fake window above yours to trick people. Inside, this stops clickjacking attacks, where hackers try to overlay your site with a fake one in order to get access to information. Then we have HSTS, strict transport security. It's like insisting that all the visitors which come to your house have to go through a security gate. This ensures that all the communication between the visitor and your website is encrypted, making it harder for the hackers to tamper with data. Then we have ACCS protection. This is like a security guard in front of your house who checks everyone's bags for dangerous items before they enter your house. This helps block cross-site scripting attacks, where again hackers try to inject malicious scripts into your site to steal that information. And the last one I want to point out is X content options, which is like making sure that all the packages that are going to be delivered to your house are labeled correctly. This prevents browsers from guessing the type of content, reducing the risk of certain attacks that exploit content type confusion. So back to the back end, let's start with the header and the value. Let's head over and select the extreme options, head back to the back end, put it in the header, then go back to the document, and here on the HTTPS, you can select deny and place it into the value. And here you can also read what it means. If you specify deny, not only will the browser attempt to load the page in the frame fail when loaded from your site, attempts to do so will fail when loaded from the same site. On the other hand, if you specify same origin, which is this one here, you can still use the page and the frame as long as the site including it in the frame is the same as the one serving the page. Hit create, and then here you can see our first security header. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for listening to this video about how to use security headers and funnels and websites. For more videos like this, or to make a request for additional training videos, please go to the main menu and add a comment ticket.